Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a widest range of fancy soft Litchi silk sarees, in which the first set we are seeing is a Borderless collection. That's a beautiful rich pallu, and that's the body. The body part is having alternative silver and golden zari woven beautiful puttas running throughout the body, along with a plain blouse with borders. And the second collection is also in a borderless pattern. A black color saree with beautiful contrast silver zari woven rich pallu, and that's a body. And here comes a rich blouse. And next one is a black color borderless saree with golden zari weaving designs. And that's the contrast rich pallu with beautiful golden zari weaving patterns running throughout the body. And here comes the contrast blouse with borders. Next one again in the same pattern with rich pallu, that's a pallu, and small motifs are there running throughout the body, along with a plain blouse with borders. Again we are seeing the same pattern, borderless collections. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. All these links be there in the description. And if you guys wanted to join our WhatsApp groups, we are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. The links be there in the description. You can join the like of your choice if you want. In the next set, we are moving to fancy soft Litchi silk sarees with beautiful borders. That's the rich pallu with plain body and beautiful borders. And here comes a plain blouse with broad borders. Next one again a soft Litchi silk saree in a half and top model. The half portion is having beautiful zari woven patterns. Next one again a trendy collection of soft Litchi silk sarees with broad silver borders. That's the available catalog colors, and that's the original video. That's a beautiful silver zari woven rich pallu. Zari woven patterns are there running throughout the body with contrast silver zari woven borders. And that's the silver plain blouse. These are the available colors, and the sarees are priced at 720 rupees. Again with almost similar pattern, but the body design which is varies. These are the available colors. You can take a screenshot and send to the WhatsApp. That's a rich zari woven pallu, beautiful body along with contrast silver zari woven borders. And that's the plain blouse with borders. Here comes the available colors. Now moving to the most trendy soft Litchi silk collection. Here comes the close-up view. Now we are seeing also a soft Litchi silk material. This one is having a rich pallu with golden zari woven rich body along with golden borders, enhancing the elegance of these collections. And here comes the golden blouse with borders. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to our account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Also, please share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only and avoid making direct calls. The next pattern, that is a rich pallu. And beautiful zari woven borders along with the blouse, which one is plain with borders. Available colors in this model. Next one is a vibrant blue with silver zari woven designs. Here comes its rich pallu. And that's the body. Beautiful silver zari woven motifs are there running throughout the body along with contrast silver zari woven borders. And that's the plain blouse with borders. The next pattern, here comes the video. That's the rich multicolor pallu with Meena design buttas are running throughout the body and beautiful borders. And here comes the plain blouse with borders. Available colors in this collection. Next one also almost in the similar pattern. That's a silver zari woven rich pallu and beautiful body part. Silver zari woven designs are there running throughout the body along with zari woven rich borders, and that's the plain blouse with borders. Available colors in this collection. You can take a screenshot and send through the WhatsApp for orders. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.